pulled up a stool like another old fool, trying to get her off my mind. I opened a tab, went straight for the jack, and I threw them back one at a time. Open minded proof might do the trick. She's a hell of a heartbreak to kick. Even whiskey ain't got a shot. Ain't a bottle of nothing round here that works worth a drop. If Tennessee straight can't make her memory fade, tell me what kind of chance do I got? Even whiskey ain't got a shot. It's the #1 name for heartaches and pains, trusted for hundreds of years. Tough enough cowboys, but don't look right now, boys. They sure ain't stopping these tears. Don't know why, but when it comes to us, it just don't do what it does. Even whiskey ain't got a shot. Ain't a bottle of nothing round here that works worth a drop. If Tennessee straight can't make her memory fade, tell me what kind of chance do I got? Even whiskey ain't got a shot. I don't know why I came here tonight. I guess I'm just wasting my time. Even whiskey ain't got a shot. Ain't a bottle of nothing right here that works worth a drop. If Tennessee straight can't make her memory fade, tell me what kind of chance do I got? Even whiskey ain't got a shot. Even whiskey ain't got a shot.
Let's learn Faded Dreams. It's choreographed by Maddison, Simon Ward, and Fred Whitehouse. It is a 24 count, 2-wall intermediate rolling 8 with restarts on walls 3 and 6, both after 8 counts, and a tag at the end of wall 7. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about our restart and our tag, and we're lucky those restarts happen at the same point of the dance facing the same wall, so that when we go around and do 8 walls of the dance, you know where everything happens and you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Faded Dreams. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to step forward with our right foot, and you're going to make a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot. You're now facing 6 o'clock. We're going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping our right foot to the right side. We're now going to take our left foot, step it slightly behind our right, and you're going to hitch a figure 4 with your right knee. So you're going to bring your right knee out, facing the right, and your right foot's going to come up to the outside of your left shin. And when you do this, you want it to kind of rotate around and go into your step behind with your right. Step your right foot behind your left, step your left foot to the side. We're now going to cross rock our right over our left, recover back onto your left foot. We're going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, stepping forward with our right foot. You're now at 6 o'clock. We're going to make a half turn over our right shoulder, stepping back with our left and sweeping our right from front to back at the same time. We're now going to step back with our right foot, sitting down, bending that right knee, and touch your left toe slightly forward. Both are going to have bend knees, but your weight's going to be on your right foot. So let's try that with some counts. Weights on that left, we're doing our step half. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2. We're going to step down onto our left foot and touch our right next to our left. We're now going to step back with the right and bend that knee and touch your left toe forward, squatting down again like we did at the end of the previous section. We're now going to step down onto our left foot. You're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your right foot to the side and sweeping your left from front to back. You're now at 9 o'clock. This sweep is going to put you into a weave, so we're going to step our left foot behind our right foot side, left foot cross. We're now going to step our right foot to the right side, and as we do it, we're going to sway our entire body to the right. Now we're going to sway our body to the left, putting our weight onto our left foot. We're now going to sway our body back to the right, putting our weight on our right foot and our whole body slightly angled over our right foot. You're going to use this slight twist as momentum to make a half turning pencil. So we're going to come on the ball of our left foot. You're going to come up, bring your right foot up to your left, and you're going to make that half turn over your left shoulder, settling down onto your left foot, facing 3 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. We just sat back for and 8. We're stepping with and 1, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, section 3 and our final section of the dance. We're going to do a mambo forward with our right foot. We're going to step that right foot forward, recover back onto your left, step your right foot back. We're now going to step back with our left and sweep our right from front to back. The sweep is going to put you into a right sailor step, stepping your right foot behind your left foot to the side, right foot slightly to the side. We're now going to step our left foot behind our right, and we're going to sweep our right from front to back. It's going to start a turn, so it's going to put you slightly off of 3 o'clock. The sweep is going to put you into a quarter turning coaster step that's going to put you at 6 o'clock. So we're going to finish that quarter turn by stepping back with our right foot to face 6 o'clock. Step your left foot next to your right. Step your right foot forward. We're now going to step forward with our left, and you're going to hit your right knee up and forward. Step back with your right, and you're going to kick your left leg up from your hip, a nice straight-legged kick with a pointed toe. Step your left foot back into a coaster step, left back, right together, left forward. And that will be the end of the dance. When you do this hitch and kick, you're stepping forward, and it's kind of pushing you forward. And then when you come back, you want to slightly be leaning back to allow you to kind of fall into that coaster step. So now let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left foot, you're doing your mambo step. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8 and then you're ready to start the dance all over again. So now let's face the front wall. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps and 1 time through with counts. Weights on that left foot, you're stepping forward with your right. Step, half, quarter behind hitch, behind side cross rock, recover, quarter, half sweep, back touch, forward touch, back touch, step, quarter sweep, behind side cross, sway right, sway left, sway right, and your half pencil turn, mambo, back, back sweep, right sailor, step, back sweep, quarter coaster, step, step hitch, back kick, coaster step. Let's try it with some counts. Weights on that left foot, you're doing your step half. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8 and ready to start the dance all over again. So now let's talk about the restarts, and then we'll talk about the tag. Both restarts are going to happen facing 12 o'clock, dancing the first 8 counts of the dance. So we're gonna be here, wall 3 starts here. Your weight will be on your left foot facing 12 o'clock. We're going to dance up to 8 counts. Stepping forward with the right, step, half, quarter behind hitch, behind side cross rock, recover, quarter, step, half sweep, back, tap. This is 8. You're now going to step forward onto that left foot for and then you will start the dance all over again, step, half, quarter, hitch. The same thing will happen when you come back to this wall to dance wall 6. So when we do that restart, that then becomes wall 4. You will dance wall 4 and wall 5 all the way through full 24 counts without anything extra. When we come back to do wall 6, you will do the same 8 counts and then restart the dance. Now, that becomes wall 7. You're going to dance wall 7 full 24 counts to the back wall, and then you have a tag. The tag is nice and easy. It's just 2 walks forward. So you would do your left coaster step, and then you would do 2 walks forward, step right, step left. And you want them to be kind of on the slower side, kind of dragged out steps, step, step into your step half pivot. And it's the only time that tag is going to happen is on wall 7. So now let's go all the way around. We're going to dance 8 walls of the dance so that you can practice both restarts and the tag going into the next wall. Weights on your left foot. On the front walls, I'm going to do steps. Back walls will do counts. And we're going to dance all the way through. I will call out the restarts and the tag. Weights on that left foot, you're doing your step, half, quarter behind hitch, behind side cross rock, recover, quarter, half sweep, back tap, forward touch, back tap, step, quarter sweep, behind side cross sway right, left, right, turn to the left and do your pencil turn. Now your mambo, back sweep, sailor, step behind sweep, quarter coaster, step, hitch, back kick, coaster, step, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8 and restart wall 1. Step and hitch, behind side cross rock, recover, quarter, half sweep, back tap, step, restart, step, half, quarter, back hitch, behind side cross rock, recover, quarter, half sweep, back tap, forward touch, back tap, step, quarter sweep, behind side cross sway, 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 half pencil, mambo, step, back sweep, sailor, step behind sweep, quarter coaster, step, hitch, back kick, coaster, step, half pivot, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8 and next restart step, half, quarter behind hitch, behind side cross rock, recover, quarter, half sweep, back tap, step, restart, step, half, quarter behind hitch, behind side cross rock, recover, quarter, half sweep, back tap, forward touch, back tap, step, quarter sweep, behind side cross sway right, left, right, half pencil, mambo, step, back sweep, sailor, step, sweep, quarter coaster, step, hitch, back kick, and your coaster step, add your tag, walk right, left, step half, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, a 3, 4 and a 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4, 5 and a 6, 7, 8 and then you would keep on dancing. The last wall, you want to dance all the way through that final wall, even when the music sounds like it's slowing down, and you're going to dance all the way up to the step half pivot to face 12 o'clock to end the dance. I hope this helps you learn Faded Dreams. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.